Included in the base package with one of our plasma tables, you get the automatic torch height control, you get the water bed, you get the software and licenses. You also get an introductory class where we teach you how to use the software and the table so you're comfortable operating it. And the last thing you get is lifetime support, which means that after the 1-year warranty on your table wears out, if you have issues 1 year, 2 years, 10 years down the road, and you have any questions or anything that you need to double check, you can always give us a call and we're more than happy to help. You do not get a plasma cutter as part of the base package with any of our plasma tables. You would need to add a plasma cutter to your order. We supply Hypertherm models. Additionally, if you have your own plasma cutter, that may be compatible with one of our tables. All you need to do is give us a call at 888-701-7101 or send us a message on stvcnc.com, and one of our salespeople would be more than happy to make sure that either your plasma table is compatible or we get you the best fit for your needs with one of our Hypertherm models. Our plasma table uses 110 power for all of its operations. The plasma cutter, depending on the model that you purchase, will use anywhere between 220 and 480, single phase or 3-phase. Additionally, you will need to make sure that you have an air compressor for your plasma cutter that can satisfy 6 SCFM at 90 psi. We designed our tables to be modular, so what I mean by that is it's not a welded frame, it is a bolt-on frame. And if you wanted to start with a smaller table because your shop can only accommodate maybe a 4x4 or a 5x5 table, and later down the road, maybe a year or so, you want to upgrade because your production size increased, you can handle more capacity now, well then you don't have to buy a whole new table, you can buy an upgrade kit and you would convert your 4x4 to a 4x8 or your 5x5 to a 5x10.